free money! Now that I have your attention, I've seen new VTubers and streamers state that the only way that they can make money is if they are partnered on YouTube or affiliated on Twitch. And honestly, that's not really true. So today I decided to show you all on how you can monetize on all these different platforms without being a part of their programs. But before we get into any of that, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as well. It does help us with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're ever in need for copyright-free or DMCA-free music, consider checking out Senpai's Lo-Fi. Links in the description down below. The first method we're going to cover is Ko-Fi and Patreon. By making a Ko-Fi and Patreon page, it allows you to give more rewards to the people that either subscribe to them or donate to them. You can customize the perks that they receive, like maybe a special role in a Discord channel or handing them out handwritten letters thanking them. Once you've made either of these platforms, all you gotta do is just open up your YouTube page, add them to your description, or open up your Twitch page and add them to your little donation button. By doing this, you're actually avoiding Twitch's 50% affiliate subscription fee and YouTube's 30% membership fee. The second one is using Amazon associate links. From time to time, you're going to have people coming up into your live streams or your YouTube videos wondering what kind of equipment that you use. You can join very easily by going to Amazon's associate page and just signing up for it. Then if you link your Amazon to your kick.co, you can show all the gear that you suggest on one website, and they can click on your Amazon associate link and make the proper purchase from there. Which does have some built-in extensions that you can use, but some are locked behind the affiliate status, so they're not really fully an option. The third suggestion is actually making some merch. You can use free websites like StreamElements. You could upload the image that you desire onto the website, put it on whatever kind of little neat merch you want, like stickers or t-shirts, and then just sell them. Websites like StreamElements will just take a percentage of the cut of every merchandise sold. And at the end of the day, there'll be zero cost for you and nothing but you making some profit. And by linking all these different methods on your YouTube and Twitch, now you can start making money without joining any kind of program. Out of all the suggestions given today, which ones are you going to use? Let me know by leaving a comment down below. Again, I'm your VTuber Senpai. I stream here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday evenings, 5 p.m. PST, so come on by and say hi. Special shout out to this month's Patreon members, Blue_Devil, Chitra, and Miss Lyra Rose. Thank you so much for your continued support.